Here I've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Justin. Then tap on edit icon right here and select camera. And you can either take a photo. If someone is staying right in front of you, you can smoothly grab it and then apply it to this contact, or you can choose something from your gallery. And let me pick choose photo. Now decide if it's gallery or Google Photos. In my case it is gallery. And now just select the picture that you would like to apply. So here let me do it one more time. Just pick the picture, then select crop picture if you would like to use this feature. And now you can customize it so you can pick how it will look like. And let me leave it this way. And tap on save. And tap on confirmation mark to save the change. And from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, so every time Justin will be calling you, you will be able to see this picture at first. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.